Animals face countless challenges in the wild every day, and power lines are among them. Unlike humans, animals have no understanding of the dangers posed by electricity. They only realize it after experiencing a painful shock. This lack of awareness often leads them into life-threatening situations. Get ready to witness incredible moments as creatures big and small encounter unexpected surprises they never saw coming. In today's episode, we'll explore 60 astonishing instances of animals encountering electricity, moments guaranteed to leave you speechless. Let's get started. These birds built their nest directly on electric poles. Sadly, their nest caught fire. Thankfully, the rescue team quickly stepped in and constructed a new, safer nest for them using a sturdy steel frame. In this case, the playful bear is rummaging through the crow's nest in search of food. Most animals don't realize that power lines are dangerous until it's too late. In an instant, hundreds of birds were suddenly reduced to ashes. Some parrots perched on the power lines, only to pay the ultimate price with their lives. It's heartbreaking to watch them fall lifeless to the ground.
It fell.
This snake has slithered into a place it shouldn't have, and the outcome is truly terrifying. The scene was unbelievable. A tragic end for the squirrel as it climbs the power pole. It seems like this goat learned to speak human language after getting electrocuted. This cow is standing, waiting for something. This guy wants to experience what the dog felt earlier. The cow was electrocuted when it approached a power pole with a leak. Without hesitation, a man risked his life to rescue it. And luckily, the cow escaped unharmed. However, this dog is not so lucky. The flames erupted into the night following the monkey's electric shock. A group of playful monkeys exploring a power transmission tower met with tragedy when a sudden jolt of electricity struck one of them, killing it instantly. Shocked by the unexpected and fatal accident, the remaining monkeys scattered in all directions, instinctively fleeing to avoid a similar fate. The monkey lost its life after touching a high-voltage power line, serving as a clear reminder that electricity is extremely dangerous. Stay away from power lines, as even a moment of carelessness could cost you your life. These two monkeys are trying to break into the garden, completely ignoring the electric fence and surveillance cameras. My condolences to my friend, Sloth. The man took a daring risk to climb up and rescue the sloth hanging on the power line. A huge thank you to him. This guy helped the sloth cross the street with his bare hands, leaving everyone around him in complete amazement. The incident took place in Japan when the rescue team used tranquilizers to subdue the gorilla. However, the gorilla fiercely resisted with its strength. It wasn't until its hand made contact with an electrical wire that it fell to the ground. This strange monkey behaves very much like a human. It was extremely curious when it saw a hedgehog, but hesitated to get close for fear of being electrocuted. Will they evolve into humans? This bear is incredibly smart. It has learned how to safely escape from the electric fence. Even large animals like elephants can be easily brought down by electricity. Topsy the elephant was part of the Four-Paw Circus. After killing a trainer and turning aggressive towards two other handlers, it was put to death by electrocution on January 4th, 1903, at the age of 36.
Sabi ka, hine.